I'm your host Ravindra Kumar, and today I will show you how you can use the wrap text function in Microsoft Excel Sheets. Those who already know what is wrap text, I'm sure that you will agree with me. This is important function, and usually when you have lots of data or you want to see the content of the data that you have added in these Excel sheets, so you can use the wrap text function. There are various things that you can use in Microsoft Excel. This is one of the simplest function. If you have data which is a smaller data and you want to visualize the content of the data, you should use the wrap text function. So what is the wrap text function? Let's start. So suppose I'm using this particular cell, and I'm sure that you all know what is this. This is the column and this is the row of the Excel sheet. Now if I have something, let me zoom it in so that we can see the content. So I'm using this cell and I'm pasting name of my video channel, which is Basic Science Series, and you can clearly see the content of this particular cell is spilled onto the second cell here, which is the B cell. So if I enter something here, it will just hide the content of the cell A. So I will not be able to see all the content in the cell A. So if I delete this one, I can see because it can get spilled over to the next cell. What I can do is I can extend this and maybe that will help me. But what if you have a lot of data, then you will be doing this and that will be difficult at some point. So suppose this is the information I have in cell 1 and I don't want this information to go into the cell 2. I don't want it to be extended to the cell 2. So what I'm going to do is use ref function. In ref function, what will happen, the data will be contained in this cell and the size of the particular cell will be automatically adjusted. So I'll click on this one and then right click. I'll go to this option which is format cell. After clicking to this, you can see there is this window that will appear and you have a lot of different things. I will not go into those things because I'm just going to focus on the wrap text, which is right here. If you want your text in the bottom or top, you can also select here as well as here. Anyways, but let's use the wrap text and see what happens. So if I click on OK, you can see immediately the data now arranged in this and the size of my cell is increased accordingly. So I thought that using this function is really convenient if you have a data and you want to contain the data in the cell. So this is how you use the wrap text function, and I'm sure it will be helpful for some of you who have the data which they want to visualize and you don't want to drag out and maybe lose some information that is hidden in there. Alright, so this was the video about the wrap text of the Microsoft Excel sheet. I'll bring more videos slowly. Definitely I'll cover most of the topics related to various softwares, and in this video channel I also cover a lot of different tutorials, educational videos. So if you're interested especially to the biological sciences, so in some way or the other way you're a student of biological sciences, so please stay tuned to the channel and hopefully those videos, they are going to help you. Thank you and take care.